How to make Indian-style Bombay sandwich. Ingredients: 8 to 10 slices of bread, white or wheat, 1 medium potato, 1 small onion, 1 small to medium tomato, Garam masala powder, to taste, roasted cumin powder, to taste, salt, to taste, optional, pepper, to taste, 1 cup chopped coriander leaves, cilantro, 1 to 2 garlic cloves, chopped, 1 green chili, chopped, 1/2 to 3/4 of a teaspoon lemon juice or as required, 1/2 of a teaspoon cumin powder. How to make it. 1. Prepare the chutney. You will need a blender or a chutney grinder. You can find chutney grinders at Indian food stores or in some specialty kitchen stores. Add 1 cup of chopped coriander leaves, 1/2 inch of chopped ginger, and 1 chopped green chili into a blender or chutney grinder. Also, put in 1 or 2 teaspoons of lemon juice, 1/2 a teaspoon of cumin powder, and 1/2 a teaspoon of salt. Add some water and blend or grind the mixture until it is smooth. Check it for taste and add more salt or lemon juice if needed. 2. Add the potato to a pot of water and bring it to a boil. Cook it until it is easily pierced with a fork, but not completely soft. Once done, drain off the boiling water and run cool water over the potato to cool it down. Then cut it into round slices. 3. Chop up your cucumber, tomato, and onion. Cut the onion into thin, round slices. The tomato and cucumber may be diced into small chunks. It doesn't matter too much how they are sliced, so long as the pieces are small. 4. Prepare the bread. You can use wheat or white bread for this sandwich. Lay out your bread slices and slather each with butter. Make sure to butter them evenly. Next, spread the chutney on top of the butter. Doing it in this order helps keep the bread from getting soggy. 5. Add the chopped vegetables. On one side of the slices of bread, add some of the vegetables that you cut up earlier. Sprinkle 1 to 2 pinches of garam masala and cumin powder over each veggie as you add it. Cover them with the other bread slices and generously spread butter over the top. Garam masala is a spice used in many types of Indian cooking. If it's not available at your local grocery store, look for it in Indian or Middle Eastern food stores. 6. Place the sandwiches on the grill. Make sure that the buttered side is facing down, and then butter the other side. Let the sandwiches grill for 2 to 3 minutes, or until the bread becomes crisp. Method 2. How to make dabeli sandwich. Ingredients: 1 red chili, dry, 1 teaspoon coriander seeds, 2 cloves, a 1/2 inch cinnamon stick, a 1/2 teaspoon cumin seeds, 4 teaspoons black pepper, 1 potato, 1 cup mashed, 2 tablespoons oil, a 1/2 teaspoon salt, 1 tablespoon masala spice, 1 tablespoon tamarind paste, 3 teaspoons sugar, a 1/2 cup water, a 1/4 cup roasted and crushed peanuts, a 1/4 cup fine sev, a 1/4 cup pomegranate seeds, may substitute chopped red or green grapes, 3 tablespoons cilantro chutney. How to make it. 1. Prepare the masala. Combine 1 dry red chili, 1 teaspoon of coriander seeds, 2 cloves, 1/2 inch of cinnamon stick, 1/2 a teaspoon of cumin, and 4 teaspoons of black pepper. Add the mixture to a small pan and roast it for 2 minutes over medium heat. Grind the results into a fine powder. If you don't want to spend time making the masala yourself, you can find already prepared mixtures at Indian food stores. 2. Add the potato to water and put it on to boil. You'll be mashing it, so boil it until it is soft enough to easily smash it with a potato masher. You'll need to make about a cup mashed. Put it in a bowl and add to it half a teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of the masala mixture, 1 tablespoon of tamarind paste, and 3 teaspoons of sugar. Set it aside. 3. Warm 2 tablespoons of oil in a pan over medium heat. Add in half a teaspoon of cumin seeds and wait for them to crack open. After this, add in the potato mixture and blend it together. Leave it on low heat to keep it warm. 4. Bring half a cup of water to a boil in a separate pan. Dump in the potato mixture from the last step. Let it simmer over low heat for 2 minutes, or until it reaches the consistency of a thick paste. 5. Prepare the bread. Slice some thick sandwich buns into halves. Hoagie rolls work very well for this type of sandwich. Butter both sides of each slice and toast them in a frying pan over medium heat. 6. Make the sandwich. On 1/2 of the buns, add a 1/4 cup of the filling. Top it with 3 tablespoons of coriander chutney, 1/4 cup of pomegranate seeds, 1/4 cup of fine sev, and 1/4 cup of crushed, roasted peanuts. Add the other halves of the buns to complete the sandwiches. Fine sev is available at Indian food stores. If you or anyone you plan to serve this to is allergic to peanuts, feel free to omit them.